Raiz Invest has long been a go-to platform for Nigerians looking to grow their wealth through automated investment options. The best Raiz Invest Plus account takes this a step further, offering more flexibility and customization than standard investment packages. With the Plus account, investors are no longer limited to predefined portfolios. Instead, users can create a custom portfolio tailored to their individual risk appetite, financial goals, and preferred industries. This is particularly useful for investors who want control over where their money goes, whether it's technology, healthcare, real estate, or sustainable energy sectors. Setting up a custom portfolio on Raiz Invest Plus is straightforward. Once you fund your account, the platform allows you to allocate funds across multiple ETFs and mutual funds based on your preferred percentages. The platform also provides analytical tools to help monitor performance and rebalance portfolios automatically, ensuring your investment strategy remains aligned with your goals. With the Plus package, users can start with as little as $10, making it accessible for beginners while still providing advanced options for seasoned investors. Another key benefit is the automated rebalancing feature. The platform constantly monitors market shifts and adjusts your portfolio to minimize risk and maximize returns. Additionally, Raiz Invest provides regular performance reports and insights into market trends, helping investors make informed decisions without spending hours researching. The platform's user interface is intuitive, allowing investors to track gains, losses, and asset allocation in real time. Overall, Raiz Invest Plus with custom portfolio options combines the convenience of automated investing with the freedom to personalize your investment strategy. It empowers Nigerians to take control of their financial future, invest strategically in sectors they believe in, and achieve long-term wealth growth efficiently and reliably.